Okay, excellent. So this marks the end of today's lesson. Quickly, we will go through the actions from today's class. Number one was have taqwa, fear of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, to achieve success on the day of judgment. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned the day of judgment as it will be a great day. It will be unprecedented. We would have never seen things that will happen on the day of judgment in our entire lives. Like, for example, a nursing mother will leave her baby, or a pregnant lady, all of the pregnant ladies, their pregnancies will fall, and scenes and sights will be something that we have not seen on the day of Qiyamah and on the day of judgment, and everyone will feel like they're intoxicated and they're out of their senses. So the only thing that can save people is the taqwa of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the consciousness, the fear and love of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, always knowing that are we doing the right things or are we doing the wrong things, and staying on the right path and becoming a better Muslim every day. Shayateen wants us to ignore the guidance and follow our worldly desires only, regardless like of halal or haram. Shaitan just wants us to enjoy life, have fun, fulfill our desires, do whatever is haram, halal, don't no difference. What we have to do, and shaitan are all around us and we discuss it. They are on the right path, they are on the wrong path. On the wrong path, they just want you to follow without asking forgiveness of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. On the right path, they are sitting there and saying and making you arrogant there. So what do we have to do? We have to apply the guidance filter. We have to always assess whatever we do, whomever we meet, whoever we are friends with, whoever is our social circle, whatever we are watching, whatever we are doing, is this getting us closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and Islam, or is it getting us away? It's a very important question that you need to continue to ask throughout your life, throughout your every decision. If you're taking a car loan or whatever, or a home loan or a mortgage, or moving, big decisions in life, or even getting married, with the other person get you closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala or away from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? What's their orientation? All of these key decisions and small decisions, just to pick up your mobile and click on a video to watch or not to watch, or a picture, or a friend who always sends you dirty content or shameful content, to block him or continue. All of these things, apply the guidance filter. Is something getting you closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, or is it getting you away from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? Then we saw the next action is look around for signs of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, how He gives life, how life gets in the dead soil, how plants emerge, seeds start to grow, germinate, all of this, the water cycle, the rain cycle, our own life. An example that one of you guys gave Jazakallah khairan on the way we sleep and wake up. This in itself is a process where we are totally unconscious, half dead. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wakes us up. So there is no doubt that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will rise us amongst our graves as well. So He will give us back life. So there's no question of will we be able to will Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala be able to resurrect us, give us life after we are dead in our graves, completely rotten, nothing. So from there, yes, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala can. He gives life from, where no one expects, and there are multiple signs all around us. So we have to believe in the day of judgment and start acting now. Never be arrogant. All khair, good is from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. All skills that you will get, all the good positions you will get, the power you will get, the wealth you will get, the money you will get, the positions you will get, everything is from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Don't be arrogant. And be careful, especially when you're doing good deeds, especially when you're helping others. Shaitan can come and make you arrogant. Let me tell others about it. Let me take a selfie. Let me, do this, and protect the ego of the person that you are helping. We also discussed an example on that one as well. So we just went a bit overboard on this lesson. Apologies from my side. This marks the end of today's lesson. Are there any comments, any questions before we close? Okay. Subhanallahi wa bihamdihi, subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika, ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta, astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Purity belongs to Allah and all praise be to Him. Purity belongs to you, O Allah, and all praise be to you. I bear witness that there is none worthy of worship besides you. I beg forgiveness from you and I repent before you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my dear brothers. I will inshallah see you guys next week, same time.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.